Hello everyone. So today we will be continuing with the pandas modules. The pandas modules are specially used to perform operations on data which will be used to create data by using data frame. Okay, so whenever you'll be performing operations with huge data and you want to create a data frame, then you will be using pandas. Okay, so here I am going to perform operations using pandas. You can just observe how the data is getting framed, and in the main usage of the pandas module use, you can modify, edit, create, and update the datas in the pandas module. And whenever there are null values or duplicated values, then you can modify it and you can fill the data with by using some methods. Okay, for example, there are columns or set of rows which are unmatched, means where the number of values present in the row are not as same as the number of values present in the column, then it creates a blank memory which have to be removed. Okay, so for that what we have to do, we have to check when the if there are any null values present in the data, and we will be replacing that data, or we will be deleting it. Okay, so for that deleting module we use a drop method, and if you want to replace any value in the blank value, then we can use the fill any method. So these are the two methods used in the data frame, that is fill any and drop any. Okay, so there are multiple methods which can be used in the data frame. So we will just learn the further things how the functioning is done in the pandas. First I have imported pandas as pd, and I have taken a variable called data1 is designed with 1 and 2. So you just can observe here, I have taken the data table in the format of dictionary, and the dictionary is having key and values, where my key is 1 and I am having set of list values in the key value. Okay, so key is 1 and values are in list of values, that is 135, and I want these values to be represented in the series format. So I need to mention pd dot series 135, and want the index to be in the format of values like A, B, C, D. So, okay. Similarly, I have taken one more key that is called a 2, that is represented in the string format, and pd dot series of 2468, and the same index I have given A, B, C, D. You can just observe here, as I told, this dictionary is, I mean, sorry, this dictionary values are going to give me one null value, because the number of values which are present in the first key values is not same as the second value of the index. So a first value of index is going to give me three values, whereas the second value is going to give me four index values. So you can just observe here, my d value is going to give me an number nan, not a number array. It is going to give me a missing data. Okay, so this is how it is. Just I have given a example how the data is giving me an not a number error. Okay, so we'll be going next. So what I have done here is I have taken pandas module with the data 1 as a variable, and I have taken the same values which are above. Have mentioned the same thing, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to convert the series values in the format of PD, that is data frame format. So df is assigned with pd dot data frame of data 1. So whatever the value are present in the data 1, that is going to be in the data frame of df. So what I have given is adding new column in series. So um, there is a existing table which is assigned in df. Similarly, I am going to add a new value or a new data set in the existing values. Okay, so adding, I have just given a statement called data adding new columns in series. So df of 3 means the existing df is present here as data 1 in into the df. I have created one more column, okay, that is named with 3, where I'm going to add a series of values like 10, 20, 30 in the indexing format of abc, and I'm going to print the df. Similarly, one more data I have taken, I mean variable I have taken of data of data frame of 4. So df of 4 is assigned with df of 1 plus df of 3. Means df of 1 is this value, and it is getting concatenated with 3. So these two values are going to be concatenated, and that is created as a df4. So you can just observe here all the values. First, what I have done, I have first printed the previous value, then I am going to create one more concatenated data that I am going to print. So you can observe here adding new column in series, 1 2 were present and I added one more, that is add 3. So this is the third column which I got created. Later what I did, I concatenated a first and the 3, that is going to be my fourth table. So you can observe here, this is my fourth column, that is 1 2 3 4 are the total data frames. So you can observe this is the data frame which we have created in the pandas module. Okay, similarly what I am going to do is I have created set of data with different dates. It means I just took up a table which I had presented with some different dates. Okay, so these are the dates of the, it is a particular document which is going to be represent, which is representing the work done in different days. Okay, so it is in the year of 2019, 2020, and 2020. So these are the particular documents which are present in the file, and I want to just check when which all dates the document are stored in the particular file, and I'm going to give index as 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so what I did, I just assigned a d value d. In that I'm going to fetch these all the datas, and I'm going to create a data frame for this. Okay, so df is equal to pd dot data frame, that d is going to be here, and print df. Okay, one difference I would like to tell you, that you can observe here, this data is giving in different format and this data is given in different format because I am going to give the print method here. So whenever I mention print, then whatever data is present, it will show as it is in the format. Okay, but when I want the data to be in a data frame format, then I have to mention df in the given program. We have to mention it as only df, so it will give me in the data frame format. That is the main difference between using print df and the df. But why we have to take print? Because print will work all the time, where df will work only at the end of the time. Means if I just remove this print df and I run, then also it won't consider this value, it will consider only this value, and it will print the only last value. But we, if we take print df, then it will run this also, and at the end it will run this value also. So it is necessary to use print method. So you can observe here the number of indexes and all the dates. Okay, so above there are two differences. What means whatever the data I have present in the deep variable, that all are present here, like a calendar data 2019, 20, and 21. So it is printed. But what I did, I used a delete method. So I am going to delete a particular row or a column, I'm going to delete. So for that I have taken a delete method, df of 2000 and df dot pop 2021. So delete and pop are the two methods which are used to terminate or delete the given values. And I'm going to print, so it is going to give me only 2020 table in the format. Okay.